Hello mga ka-sweet. Ito po, first week of school and first football game for the junior varsity Imperial High School. So this is just the junior, no? Yan po, kukunti lang mga tao, no? But tomorrow, Friday, mga varsity naman ng high school ang lalaro. Football game po tayo. Yung anak ko po nasa cheering na sila. Member ng cheer. We have a lot of this at the house.
Oh man, that's alright.
10 minutes lang.
Where is it going?
They're walking. Exercise. Malaglag. Malaglag. Malaglag.
That's okay. I will eat it. Yes.
Yeah, mag-start ng second half. Wala pa yung kalaban, nag-give up na yan. Nag-give up na. Oh, they're just walking there. They give up. So we have to wait.